Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Jaclyn. I'm Jaclyn St. James. Who says punch and champagne are two separate drinks? For a new Christmas punch recipe this year, try making a champagne Christmas punch. You may already know a tried and true Christmas party punch recipe, or two or three, but this version is light and is perfect for all Christmas punch recipes with alcohol to add to your recipe box. It's called Champagne Christmas Punch. How simple is that? The ingredients that you'll need: the ingredients: 2 bottles of champagne or sparkling white wine, 1 large can of pineapple juice, 2 packages of frozen raspberries, and 2 containers of raspberry sorbet. For the directions, combine all the ingredients together. Make sure to add the sorbet to your other liquids about an hour or two before serving so that it has time to melt. The frozen raspberries will work nicely as a garnish and to add some extra texture to the drink. Other fruit alternatives that you can use are pineapple, cherries, cranberries, or anything else that will sweeten up your recipe. Serve in traditional punch glasses or other holiday-themed glassware. Another new idea is to use champagne flutes and use red or green colored sugars to coat the rims before pouring the punch into the glasses. Champagne Christmas punch will certainly become a favorite among your traditional alcoholic Christmas punch recipes. So get ready to toast the holidays with Christmas punch for your guests.